or a husband and an employee too. So this is about one person when environment is changed, when he is at his office. So that time he is an employee. When with his wife, then he is husband. So in same way, we will see how our method will change the behavior when we will change the environment. Without wasting time, let's take one simple example. I'm sure you are getting my screen and everything is visible to all of you, right? So here, please follow my mouse pointer whenever I'm teaching that time. So we have this class person. This class begins from here and will be closed over here. Okay. So what we have in this class, we have this one method. So this implementation of this method, which method? Void rule. So type of the method is void. Why it is so? Because इसका type हमने void रखा हुआ है. Why? The name of the method is role and type of the method is void. It does not having any statement which is returning something. So this method is only displaying some, statement or sentence like I am a person. So whenever this method will get executed, we will get this message on the screen. Next, we have another class. This is our first class, we can say. We have this second class also. And this class begins here and ended over here. So this is the body of the class. Now we have again what? One method, role. Again type is same, void. So this method and this method is what? Having same name. Is it clear? Okay. Now in this method, we have some another implementation, or say we have another statement to display. Here what we have displayed, I am a person. Here what we wanted to display, I am a father, for example. So these are the two classes, and those two classes are having a method, common method, but their behavior is different. So name of the method is same, type of the method is also same. Means everything is same about the method, only the output of the method is different. Okay, so this is one arrangement we have prepared over here. Now coming to this another class, we have this class, third class. Okay, so this one is. So here name of the class is main. You can change, you can write any name to the class. We have this is the body of this class. Okay, begin from here and will end over here. Within the body, we have this main method. Main method is starting from here and will close over here. Within this main method, what we have done over here? Yes. What we have done? What is this? Yes. Class name, variable name equals to new and constructor. अगर हमें ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन मिलता है, ऐसा कोई स्टेटमेंट मिलता है, then we can say it is object creation statement. So my object name will be this P. Name of the object is P. Class name is person. I want to create the object of this person. What is something new in this case? So instead of taking this person, here I'm talking about here. This is what? This is what? What is this? This is कंस्ट्रक्टर. तो हमने इस क्लास का कंस्ट्रक्टर नहीं लिया, हमने किस क्लास का कंस्ट्रक्टर लिया? इस क्लास का कंस्ट्रक्टर लिया. कंस्ट्रक्टर इज फ्रॉम फादर क्लास and we have taken class name from this person. So we can do this also. But what will happen when this object will get created because of the constructor of this class? What will happen? Yes, object will be having reference of this method. Are you getting my point? And when you will call, how to put a call to a method? Object name dot method name. Method name. So this is what we have taken here. Object name P, method name role. Now which role method will get executed, because we have two methods, this one also and this one also. Because of the constructor we have taken from this class father, so we will get the execution of this method. Is it clear? At the end, what output we will get? We will get this output. Is it clear? Why we are getting this output? Because what constructor we have used at the time of object creation, that will decide which method will get called when we will be calling any method, because the name of the method are same, role. So this constructor will provide the reference of which role method that belongs to father class. And whatever implementation we done over here, that we will get execution of that particular implementation and respective output. Is it clear? Right? Okay. So this is what the output we are getting. Right? दो सेकंड में Okay, so this is the output we will get. So this is one simple, example that you can mention for polymorphism to demonstrate polymorphism. Okay, so simple explanation and simple example. Then we have this another example. See now what we are doing. We have this class animal. This is first class. This is, another class we have. What is the name of this class? Second class, pig. We have this third class also, right? And we have this fourth class. So in all total, we have 4 classes. Now coming to the first class, we have this method. What? Animal sound. This method is having some kind of implementation. Okay. कुछ यहाँ पर whatever the requirement is there, based on that implementation will be there. So for simple, simplicity, we have taken only one statement as an output, print statement. So this animal makes a sound. The animal makes a sound. Now what we have done here? This is your second class pig. And what we have done here? What is this? Inheritance. Okay. So what we want? It means what? एनिमल के अंदर उल्टा हो रहा है, उल्टा हो रहा है. So characteristics will get, what? Inherited from animal class to this pig class. Is it clear? So it means what? This pig class is having again implementation of this method. This is its own method. This method is belongs to pig class, and this pig class also have reference of method coming from this animal class. Is it clear? It is possible because of the concept inheritance. So characteristics of animal class will get inherited into pig class. Is it clear? Yes. Next, what we have done? We have this third class dog. Again, what we have done? Extends animal. It means what? This animal class is having what? This is pig class, and this is dog class. So this is also having, inherited into dog class, this animal class, and also inherited into pig class. Is it clear? Yes. So this again dog class is having implementation its own method, sound, animal sound. So this is, under class itself. And another one method is coming in this class from this animal class. And इसका भी reference किसके पास है? So dog class is having implementation of its own animal class, animal sound method, and the method coming from the animal class. Again, this pig class is having implementation of its own method, that is animal sound. And again, one method is coming from animal class whose name is also animal sound. But the outcome is different. अगर हम इस क्लास की मेथड की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है the animal makes a sound. अगर इस क्लास की मेथड की बात करते हैं तो the pig says something. और यहाँ अगर बात करते हैं तो dog says something. Is it clear? So this is what the arrangement we have. Instead of having 2 classes, we have more than 3 or 4 classes over here. And concept of inheritance. Now here, see, in main method, we have created an object of which class? Animal class. So object name is my animal. Now we have this. What is this? Again we have animal object, and here constructor is from peak class. Okay. And this is what? Create an object of peak class. So here we are creating object of dog class. And here we have created object of clear animal class. Is it clear? We have three different classes and we have three different objects. तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि कौन से क्लास का नाम लिया है और कौन से क्लास का कंस्ट्रक्टर लिया है. वट एवर द कंस्ट्रक्टर यू आर टेकिंग, so relative object you will get, or respective object of the class you will get. When I am calling this animal sound method, this method, by using this object called animal, now tell me what will be the output, or which method we will get called. Yes, this is the object of animal class and I am calling this method. So which implementation will get executed? Are you aware of the situation what we are talking about over here? We have three different classes and we have one method. Three times we have implementation of same method, but every time outcome will be different. इसको उठा भाई साहब को सो गए हैं. So we have three classes. We have one single method in three classes, and every time outcome of the method is different. Name and everything other thing are same. When we are calling this method from the first class object, by making the object of first class, it will provide implementation of the respective method. So this output we will get first. When we are talking about the dog class object, then we will get implementation of this dog class method. So this outcome we will get the dog says. Then if we create an object of peak class and if we want to call the method, then the respective class method will get executed. Is it clear? Yes. Now another important point in this particular topic, types of polymorphism. I hope you have clear idea about what is polymorphism now. One method, different environment, implementation is also different, but method is same. When we are changing the object to call the method, the respective implementation of the method we will get. Is it clear? So let me give you another example, real life example. जैसे interest rate है, ठीक है? Home loan interest, or you take any that kind of parameter. So interest rate. Now we have multiple banks or kind of activity providing agencies or companies. Let us say Bank of India, right? SBI, then ICICI, then HDFC. Now we have four classes you can consider: SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Bank of India. And what I am talking about, rate of interest. So rate of interest is common method. When I am talking about SBI, rate of interest is, let us say, 7.8. When I am talking about ICICI Bank, rate of interest is, let us say, 8.8. When I am talking about any other bank, rate of interest is 9.8. Are you getting my point or not now? Yes. So this is what polymorphism is. कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट तो चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन अपना अपने तरीके से रखेंगे. नया कोई बैंक आया, राइट? जैसे बंधन बैंक भी आजकल एक नया, शायद नया है थोड़ा, तो बंधन बैंक. नाउ बंधन बैंक इज हैविंग ऑल्सो, वो अपना खुद का कंसेप्ट लगा सकता है कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट शो करने के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज नोन टर्म टू एवरीवन. तो सोसाइटी में इसका what acceptance है, इसका क्लैरिटी है, इसका नॉलेज है. You cannot update that knowledge. Otherwise, what will happen? People will get confused कि ये बात क्या करना चाहता है, कौन से टर्म की बात कर रहा है. So you cannot change that concept, rate of interest. तो आपको as it is लेना होगा ना. आप उसकी वैल्यू आप अपने हिसाब से रखें. तो लेट अस से वो नया बैंक है तो उसने ऑफर कर दिया कि 7.6, सबसे lowest rate of interest. That he can do. Is it clear? Now, this polymorphism is having two types. One is called compile time polymorphism and another type is called runtime polymorphism. अभी हमने polymorphism डिस्कस किया था. Now we are discussing its type. Two types, runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. अब अगर हम लोग जब कंपाइल टाइम पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म की बात करते हैं तो वहां कंसेप्ट आता है मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. इसको थोड़ा हम लोग स्किप करके रखेंगे, है ना, वर्चुअल फंक्शन, इसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. रन टाइम पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म की जब हम लोग बात करते हैं तो वहां कंसेप्ट आता है मेथड ओवरराइडिंग. अभी सिर्फ ये स्ट्रक्चर आप दिमाग में रखो. पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म, उसके दो टाइप, एक होता है कंपाइल टाइम, दूसरा होता है रन टाइम. कंपाइल टाइम की बात करते हैं तो मेथड ओवरलोडिंग, रन टाइम की बात करते हैं तो मेथड overriding. Now what is compile time and what is run time? When you are compiling your code, जब हम लोग लिखते हैं Java C and file name along with .java extension और जब हम enter प्रेस करते हैं तो वो वाला टाइम. If there are any errors in your program, then that time you will get information about those situations. What are there creating problem for the execution, or no, sorry, for compilation. Once your compilation is clear, so this time is what? Compilation time, compile time. Now your compilation is done, then execution time begins. उसके लिए हम लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं जावा एंड फाइल नेम ओनली. अब जब मैं प्रेस करता हूँ एंटर, जब तक मेरा आउटपुट मुझे नहीं मिलता है, दैट मच टाइम इज कॉल्ड रन टाइम. इज इट क्लियर? कंपाइल टाइम एंड रन टाइम. कंपाइल टाइम में हमें क्या मिलता है? इंफॉर्मेशन, वेदर योर कोड इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. अगर रॉन्ग है तो कहाँ रॉन्ग है, और अगर सब कुछ सही है तो वी विल गेट डॉट क्लास फाइल इन कंपाइल टाइम. नेक्स्ट टाइम is run time. Once your compilation is clear, you will go for execution and that time is called run time. So compile time में क्या होगा, कौन सा ऑपरेशन हो सकता है? मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. रन टाइम में कौन सा ऑपरेशन होगा? मेथड ओवरराइडिंग. ठीक है, हम एग्जांपल लेंगे. मेथड ओवरलोडिंग, it means when there are multiple functions with the same name. What I am talking about, multiple functions with the same name but different parameters, then this function are said to be overloaded, or this arrangement is called method overloading. What I am talking about, method is same but having different types of parameters. Is it clear? तो ऐसा अगर अरेंजमेंट है तो हम लोग उसे बोलेंगे मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. Let us take this one simple example, try to understand what is method overloading is all about. We have this class helper, कुछ भी नाम दो आप इसको. We have this methods multiply, integer, multiply, forget about this thing for now. We have this class integer multiply. This method expecting two parameters a and b, which is of type integer, means though integer value this method is expecting, and this will return what? Multiplication of those two numbers. So we have this return statement. Because of that, the type of the method would be yes, integer. Why? Because it is returning one value and the type of that value will be again integer. क्योंकि ये दोनों वैल्यूज कौन से टाइप के आने वाली है, तो इनसे जनरेट होने वाला आउटपुट का टाइप कौन सा होगा? That's why this method type is also. Is it clear? Now next we have this method again. What? But this time name is same but parameters are same or different? Parameters are same or different? We have two parameters. Okay. Count is same, but still there are differences in type. पहले वाला मेथड में क्या था? इंटीजर से पैरामीटर. यहाँ पर पैरामीटर कौन सा है? डबल है. अगेन वी आर रिटर्निंग सिमिलर ऑपरेशन. We are doing similar operation, multiplication. Now this method will return one value. उसका टाइप फिर से क्या रहने वाला है? Yes, we are taking A, फिर से डबल टाइप का है, B फिर से डबल टाइप का है. दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा हमें, that will be again of type. And because of that, the type of the name, type of this method is again, yes, double. Is it clear? We have this another class. In this is the main method. So see what we have done here. In this first print statement, we have made a call to this method, multiply. Okay. So class name is, एक ही class है हमारे पास, helper, and we can call this way also method, class name dot method name. Our method name is multiply. But while calling this method, we are using these two arguments. These two arguments of type integer, because this method is expecting integer parameters. तो क्या क्या होगा यहाँ पर? 2 कॉपी हो जाएगा A पे और 4 कॉपी होगा B पे. Is it clear? So 2 will get copied on A and 4 will get copied on B. So everything is matching. We are passing integer, so it will call integer method. Name is same, but type will decide कि कौन से मेथड को कॉल जाएगा. इस वाले मल्टीप्लाई को जाएगा या इस वाले मल्टीप्लाई को जाएगा. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ पैरामीटर्स वी आर पासिंग. अगर मैंने डबल टाइप के पैरामीटर पास किए तो क्या होगा? डबल टाइप की मेथड को कॉल जाएगा, इस मेथड को कॉल जाएगा, जो कि मैंने नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन में किया. दिस 5.5 विल गेट कॉपीड ऑन this A and this 6.3 will get copied on this B. Every time you need to follow the mouse pointer. If you want clear understanding, please follow the mouse pointer what I am talking about here. When we are putting call to this another multiply method, that case 5.5 will get copied on this double type of A and 6.3 will be copied on double type of B. Next, this method will get execution, call for the execution. So 5.5 multiply by 6.3, whatever the outcome will be returned over here. So output will come over here. In similar way, in this case, output will come here. Is it clear? जहां से हमने मेथड को कॉल पुट किया था वहां पर उसका आउटपुट वापस आने वाला है, क्योंकि both method is having return statement. So this return statement will pass the output to the state from where we have called to this method. जहां से हमने कॉल किया था वहां पर उसका आउटपुट रिटर्न किया जाए. Is it clear? So this type of output we will get after the execution. So this is called method overloading. Method name is same, but parameters are different. पैरामीटर का नंबरिंग डिफरेंट हो सकता है, पैरामीटर का टाइप डिफरेंस हो सकता है, मेथड का टाइप डिफरेंट हो सकता है. इज इट क्लियर? बट नेम इज अगेन सेम. So this is which type of polymorphism? Compile time. Means which method will get called. It will be decided at compile time, not the time of execution. हमें पहले से ही पता होगा compile time में कि कौन से पैरामीटर है. जो पैरामीटर है उस रिस्पेक्टिव पैरामीटर को एक्सेप्ट करने वाली मेथड को कॉल जाएगा. Is it clear? Runtime polymorphism. Method overriding occurs when, सब इसी को बोला जाता है मेथड ओवरराइडिंग. Subclass provides its own implementation of method that is already defined in its superclass. Again, situation is same. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल, then we will come back on the theory. You will get idea ki what is happening here in overriding. We have class, we have this another class, and this is third class, and this one is our fourth class. So four classes we have, 1, 2, 3 and 4. फर्स्ट क्लास में हमने क्या किया है, प्रिंट मेथड हमने यूज किया, यहाँ पर प्रिंट नाम दिया है मेथड को, एंड सिंपली वी हैव दिस स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट क्लास, दिस टाइप ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सिंपल. वी हैव दिस अनदर क्लास, क्लास का नाम क्या है, सब क्लास, यहाँ पर एस कैपिटल रखना चाहिए था हमने, सब क्लास 1 एक्सटेंड्स पेरेंट, मतलब इस क्लास को हमने इनहेरिट किया है सब क्लास 1 में. यहाँ पर भी हमने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन दिया है प्रिंट मेथड का. वी हैव सम डिफरेंट आउटकम, नेम ऑफ द मेथड इज सेम, दिस मेथड एंड दिस मेथड नेम इज सेम, टाइप इज आल्सो सेम, पैरामीटर सेम, एवरीथिंग इज सेम, सिर्फ आउटकम इज डिफरेंट. नाउ वी हैव अनदर क्लास, अगेन एक्सटेंड पेरेंट, तो फिर से हमें इसको क्या किया है, इनहेरिट किया है यहाँ पर. So this class is inherited into this second class also and this third class also. इस क्लास की खुद का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है हमारे पास, फिर से नेम इज सेम, टाइप इज सेम, पैरामीटर लिस्ट इज आल्सो सेम, बट आउटकम इज डिफरेंट. यहाँ आउटकम था सुपर सब क्लास, यहाँ आउटपुट सब क्लास 1, यहाँ आउटकम है सब क्लास 2. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस मेन मेथड, तो दिस इज व्हाट, हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को क्या किया है, डिफाइन किया है, क्रिएट नहीं किया. जैसे मैं इंटीजर ए लिखता हूं और इंटीजर ए इक्वल्स टू 10 लिखता हूं, तो 10 जब मैं लिखता हूं तो मैंने वेरिएबल को इनिशियलाइज किया, और इंटीजर ए लिखा तो मैंने सिर्फ वेरिएबल को क्या किया, इंटीजर ए और सेमीकोलन, मैंने सिर्फ डिक्लेयर किया. अब मैंने क्या किया, ए इक्वल्स टू 10, अब मैंने इसे इनिशियलाइज किया, तो डिक्लेयर मैंने कहीं और किया है, इनिशियलाइजेशन कहीं और किया है, वैसा ही हमने यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट को डिक्लेयर किया है और ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ क्रिएट किया. So this way also you can mention object creation process in parts. Now A is what? Object name equals to new. We are creating object of subclass 1. और अब जब मैंने इसे प्रिंट किया, a dot print method को कॉल किया, so which method will get output in first case? कौन से मेथड का आउटपुट आएगा? Yes, subclass 1. So this method will get execution first in first case. सेकंड केस में हम लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है, ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम सेम है, लेकिन जो कंस्ट्रक्टर है वो दूसरे क्लास का है. तो हियर वी हैव, सो व्हिच क्लास आउटकम वी विल गेट, सब क्लास 2. इज इट क्लियर? यहाँ पर ये सब क्लास 1 मिला है और ये हाइड हो गया है यहाँ पर सब क्लास 2. तो दिस वे दिस मेथड ओवरराइडिंग विल वर्क. मेथड ओवरलोडिंग में क्या होगा, मेथड में डिफरेंसेस रहेंगे, पैरामीटर का डिफरेंस हो सकता है, टाइप ऑफ पैरामीटर का डिफरेंस हो सकता है, नंबर ऑफ पैरामीटर का डिफरेंस हो सकता है, बट वन थिंग इज कॉमन, नेम विल ऑलवेज सेम. हियर in case of overriding we are using concept of inheritance. Again methods are same but same in all manner, only implementation is different. कौन सा यस कैपिटल, सॉरी, हाँ यस कैपिटल रहेगा ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि मैंने क्लास का नाम यस लिखा है यहाँ पर. सो हियर आल्सो दिस एस विल बी, it should be capital 1. क्लास नाम से ही कंस्ट्रक्टर प्रिपेयर होता है, तो उसका क्लास का नाम जो है वही कंस्ट्रक्टर का नाम होगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. Now in this case, we are not aware about which type of method will get called because we don't have, things to differentiate, things to point out which method we will get in compile time. So it will be decided at run time क्योंकि object कब create होगा, initialization कब होगा, execution में होगा. So this object is having which reference, which class reference will be decided at runtime. So that's why runtime will decide at runtime that decision will be taken which method will get execute. And because of this, it is called runtime polymorphism method override. So we should stop over here.